Okay, so this is the video that explains week 5 assignment 1. So the first thing you need to do is you have to go in here and you have to watch the PowerPoint. It's about 10 or 12 minutes long. It's all about email etiquette. This is about just basic etiquette, what is etiquette, what it's used for. Then you need to go to the actual assignment. Okay, so now what you need to do, please listen carefully. You do not have to submit anything. When you click here, it doesn't come up and say submit over here. It is a Kahoot, and I'm pretty sure most of you have done a Kahoot before. This is the key. The key is it has to have your first initial and your last name and period number as the name in the Kahoot, or you will not get credit. I don't need nicknames. I don't need only first names. I need first initial, last name, and the period that you're in. So basically, you'll go here, you'll click here. It's going to take you to a Kahoot. You're going to go here where it says enter a nickname. You are going to put your first initial, your last name, and your period number. And then say OK, go. And then you can do the Kahoot. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know or contact me.